Hello friends. So our today's topic is inventors and their inventions. I have not taken famous inventors in this video, but the inventors included in this video has been asked in various exams. So let's get started. Question number first. Who invented helicopter? Helicopter has been invented by Braithwaite. Question number 2. Who invented tractor? Tractor has been invented by Robert Formich. Question number 3. Inventor of radar is Taylor and Young. Question number 4. The Nobel Prize comes in the name of Alfred Nobel, who made the discovery of, तो इसका आंसर है dynamite. Alfred Nobel has invented dynamite. Nobel Prize has been started in 1901, and Nobel Prize has been given in different fields, and the fields in which Nobel Prize has been given is total 6, and the 6 fields are physics, chemistry, medical, literature, economics, and peace. So these are the 6 fields in which the Nobel Prize has been awarded. So this is important. Question number 5. Inventors of lightning conductor. Benjamin Franklin. Benjamin Franklin. Who invented X-rays? So the answer is Roentgen. This is very important. Question number 7. Who invented television? Television has been invented by J.L. Baird. Keep this in mind. This is very important. Which scientist discovered telescope? Telescope has been discovered by Galileo. Galileo is a very well-known scientist. Who discovered gas engine? So gas engine has been discovered by Daimler. Who developed the atomic bomb? So the answer is J. Robert Oppenheimer. Who invented laser? So laser has been invented by T.H. Memon. Who invented hydrogen bomb? Hydrogen bomb has been invented by Edward Taylor. Who developed the missile? Missile has been developed by Werner von Braun. Who invented microscope? Microscope has been invented by Emily Berliner. Who invented jet engine? Jet engine has been invented by Frick Wheatley. So this is important. Who invented electron microscope? Electron microscope has been invented by Knoll and Ruska. Inventor of scooter is Bradshaw. This is very important. It has been asked in several exams, SSC and railways. Inventor of typewriter is Scholz. Inventor of barometer is Evangelista Torricelli. Inventor of fountain pen is Waterman. This is also important. It has been asked in various exams that who is the inventor of fountain pen? Waterman. Who invented wireless? Wireless has been invented by Marconi. This is also important. Explorer of nuclear reactor are made by, so the answer is Enrico Fermi. So this is the video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe Crack Exams channel. Till then, goodbye.